Hey friends, if you wish to recover your Valorant account on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So simply search the words recover Valorant account on your Google search bar, okay? And then go to the first link and then scroll down and click on begin account recovery. So before this, I need to tell you one thing, that when you're trying to recover Valorant, you need to know one thing, that it can only be recovered in the first 30 days. After that, it is permanently deleted. So you can enter all of the information here. Okay, for example, my ID. Okay, and then you can click on next, and it says that it cannot be recovered. But yes, that's not always the case. It can be recovered at times. You can still submit a ticket, and then you can see what happens. Okay, so you can select the recover my account ticket. You can enter your email ID, and you can use the platform. You can select the region. Okay, I am in I'm not in none of these regions. This is very sad. So I'll simply select Oceania. That is the nearest one. And how did you lose your account? And I will say unsure. And the login name, okay, I will mention my ID, and then email ID, again the same one, and my date of birth. Okay, I have to click on this one, and then I will have to select 1991 and my date of birth. And last time I had the access to the account, let's say it was 19th December 2024. Who made this account? Me. List all possible emails associated with the account. Okay, and this is I think all necessary ones. And then write no here, no here, and then you can mention account recovery as subject. Please help in recovering my account. And finally click on submit. Now I won't click on submit because my account is not banned, but this is what you have to do. Just click on submit. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.